believe it that I did not think or thought about what's going on with the sky. Look at the clouds. Those are not clouds. Oh, no, that's a structure. Big time. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is insane. Look at the same structure that I saw in the shadow image. Look at the craft coming in and out of that thing into space and back into that deal. They're following the space shuttle now in a ring. Look, they made a semicircle around behind it. And they're, wherever they pass, they create this lightning deal. Look at how that one flickers. Two of them flickering real good. No flickering, they're rotating around. Look at the lining. They're not flickering at all, they are rotating. Look how it gets foggy when the guy tries to zoom into the objects. That tells you right there that they create that kind of deal. That foggy looking is not a fog. It feels like it is, but it's not. It's something. It's electromagnetic radiation. Kind of a wave that the thing is just, see how that thing flashed so fast? Beep! It was like the flash from a camera, but faster. And look, it has a column attached. See another flash. See, there is like a white column coming down from that craft. That is insane, man. How I missed this before. See, check it out. The structure appeared for a second. Now that I got see when there, look at the tubes right there. That's the deal right there. That's what I was looking for, that moment that it vibrated at the right perfect frequency. Look at the tube on top and the upper part right there. Look at that long tube. And the other craft is black and triangular. Look, this is like a huge, like you're inside a building, and look at those tubes. Oh my God, this is the, finally, I knew I was seeing this deal. I could not capture it. Now I have. Oh my goodness, look at this, the space conduits. Look at the tubes, man, that's what they are not telling us. And it's only captured with infrared technology at certain frequency. Look at the enormous structure. These tubes are going up and down, diagonal. Right there, look. Right there, and this big fat tube is like you're looking at a scaffolding. Oh my goodness, I've never seen this clear. Look at the tubular craft, this craft down here that is, it looks like a set of dumbbells. Check it out. Wow, I've been looking to capture this, finally. I knew that you had to go back to your old video because you learn more than you see, you learn more, and then you are able to, oh man, look at that eye right there. The reptile eye with the vertical pupil. And it will go like this. Oh my man, look at that face, a big face. It's almost like a human face. But it has a dual face. It has two eyes on the upper corners and the center eye like a human face. Oh my God, I never thought I was gonna capture this deal, this incredible, my man. And that was only a fraction of a second. When the camera finally, look at that. There is a face right here. Look, there is the eyes, the nose. It's like a Roman statue. But then he has two more eyes up here that are bigger with vertical pupils. And two even bigger. This is an even bigger face with the reptile eyes. And look, it's like you're looking inside I don't know how to explain that. You know, the upper part of a warehouse where they have all these girders. Wow, man. That's crazy. Let's see what happened. It gets darker. You see this tube that goes diagonal? I mean, you can see where that's how these entities move from place to place in an incredible speed. They use those conduits. Look at how this tube gets into this part of the structure, then it continues in the other part, and it stops and continues every time he encounters a vertical tube, and there's this spherical thing right up here, another here. Wow, man, this is totally insane. And look at down here, this big light. Look at that. Whoa. And this is only possible because I adjusted the monitor settings. That's what I did not see that before. I couldn't see this structure before because I just didn't know how to manipulate the settings, the monitor settings. Now I can put the filter on and see perfectly the structure. Check it out, this is with the extra filter. Look at that. Wow, man, look at that. This happened at minute 7:26. At minute 7:26 is the only time where these tubes are visible. They only last like a second. That was even less than a second. Oh my God, that is insane. And that's exactly what I saw in Io. That picture taken by the Cassini orbiter. When there was a cloud of sodium sulfate, according to NASA, that's what that was, a green cloud that came out of Io. And you have to wonder what the truth really was. But look at that, there is another face right there. Look at the eyes. So this is how these entities can see us using this resonant electromagnetic technology. So there's a one eye, the other eye, the nose. There's a big face, and there's another one, and there is this one is a pair of eyes too. This one right, left, and this one right here, right, left. It's all pairs of eyes. Look at this one up here, it's huge. But look how the tube bends here, but it keeps going down too. Into the atmosphere, into Earth. And then this big tube is like transparent. Except for these white ones that are really white. But everything is like you looking through a glass. Like seeing a smoky deal. I knew when I saw that cloud, electromagnetic looking cloud, that's what that was. The camera vibrated at the exact same frequency. It matched the structure's frequency. Perfect, look, you can see where the tubes join here with the vertical big pillar that has faces carved up and down, and this is spherical things. Look at that. That's crazy, man. And look at this craft down here. It's like what they call a TIE fighter, but this is large. This is not a small one. I guess they can get big and as small as they wish. Look how clear you can see the tubes. That was something I could never get trying to